Welcome back to Goblin Mode Gaming and Persona 4 Golden. Now, in the last episode, we got our asses kicked once again. It's amazing. Like we actually did a lot better in that fight. If I'm trying to give myself any credit whatsoever, but if I'm being honest, it was a little embarrassing having to use so many revives so fast. So, I'm going to take a little break from fighting. Maybe take a couple days to just do some social linking and maybe raise one of our stats. Then we'll get back into the dungeon and we'll try and finish it out, because beating that boss actually gives us a great weapon for Yukiko that should pull us through the next couple of dungeons, I think. So let's get back into things. Oops, I don't need to save. Okay. Oh yeah, you know what? We need to study. And that's always good. If you get a good score on the test, you may become well known among your classmates and be more popular. You want to study? Absolutely. Why we read that book on studying, right? You decided to study. Ellipses. Your knowledge is increased. Since you had completely read the expert study methods, you were able to study more efficiently. Your knowledge was increased again. Nothing pushing us over like threshold or nothing yet, but we'll get there. You wonder when it will rain at night again. What should you do today? Oh, phone call.
Hey, it's me.
What's up, Yosuke? Might be kind of weird to ask, but after we hung out yesterday, but do you want to hang out again today? I'll see if I can find someone else to come along with us. Yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Because I think running into other people can actually increase your chances of raising their social link as well. If not, at least raises our chances of raising this social link. June S. Electronics Department. Alright, she came out with the guys today. Alright. Nanako-chan sure loves this place. First thing out of her mouth was, the first thing out of her mouth when I asked where she wanted to go was, Junes! Who could blame her? This place is everything. It's like a storehouse of magic. I can see why she likes it anyways. Isn't she cute? I have a younger sister too. I wish she was cute like Nanako-chan. Whoa, dude, chill. I'm not cute. Oh, did I hurt your feelings? Don't worry, you're not cute. Whoa!
Huh?
That's going kind of far.
Hey!
Are you stupid or something? Yeah, that's the Daisuke I know. Don't flatter me like that. I don't think he is. Big bro, that TV's huge. Feel like if I watched sports on TV like this, I'd get sucked into the screen. Come on, like that could happen. Promises to be an entertaining day. You feel like your relationship with Yosuke is going to become closer soon. Oh, nice. Spend an afternoon with the group. All right. What's up? What did you miss today, huh? Yes, you sure did. Anything in the fridge? Nothing. Yay. Alright, well. I gotta go to that. I gotta go to the blacksmith shop. Didn't check the weather either. Can I check the TV? Watch the weather forecast. Oh, we're good. Let's just study again so we can get that up. Your knowledge is up again. You have no plans today. You decide to go somewhere you don't usually go. First, go to the station. No one is around. Seems the next train won't be coming for a while. Buy a drink. Tap soda. Alright. That's weird. There's no one on the premises. The dusty shrine doesn't seem to be well maintained. Decided to go home. That's then someone watching me. Whoa, what? Mysterious fox suddenly appears before you. Does it live at the shrine? It's got like a little ape. It's got like a little heart bib on. That's kind of cool. It's a little fox. The fox is staring at you. You notice an Ema. Ema or Ema? I think it's Ema. You notice an Ema plaque in its mouth. The mysterious fox nudges the Ema into your hand. It reads, "Please help Grandpa's legs get better. Keita." The Ema has someone's wish written on it. Why did the fox give this to you? Upon closer inspection, you notice an unusually shaped leaf stuck on the back of the Ema. Ema. Just say Ema for my own sanity. You don't recognize this leaf from the local plant life. Is this also the work of the mysterious fox? Oh, not every day you see young'uns like you around here. Nobody lives here anymore. I come by to tidy things up once in a while, but lately my legs are so achy I just can't do it. I've been trying to get this place up to snuff, but there just isn't enough money to go around. Well, I suppose I'll pay my respects. My legs don't heal, I can't maintain the shrine. That, and I won't be able to visit Keita anymore. He's my grandson, you know. You wonder if it could be the same Keita who wrote the Ema. The Ema said, I already backtracked how I'm saying it, huh? Please help Grandpa's legs get better. What's that you got in your hand there? Could it be? That leaf. That's it. Way back when my grandmother always used to say a leaf shaped like that was the best kind of ache remedy out there. What memories? But how'd you get your hands on this? I didn't think you could find those in the mountains anymore. Please, young man, can I trouble you to spare me that leaf? Yeah. He gave the old man the leaf that was stuck to the back of the Ema. Oh, this is it. This is it. Now let's see here. The old man stuck the leaf onto his leg. Oh, I can feel it. It's working. Amazing. The pain that I've been feeling for who knows how long just up and vanished. I feel better than I have in years. You really helped me out, young man. I'm so grateful. Now I can go visit my grandson. I better pay thanks to the shrine for bringing us together like this. Oh wow, that's quick. He marveled at the amazing results. Not only did it heal his aches, but even restored his vitality. Fox looks on from his hiding place with a contented expression. He seems to understand that the wish on the Ema has been granted. The fox is peering into the offertory box as if to check the content. It even seems to understand that the shrine has received an offering. Perhaps you were given the Emma with the leaf for that express purpose. It seems it has taken a liking. It has a mouthful of the same leaves as the one you gave to the old man. It seems the fox has a large stock of mysterious leaves with healing power. The fox is mirthful. There's something it wants from you? You cannot help but think how strange an encounter this is, as you realize the fox is showing you a pile of leaves. You feel a faint bond forming between you and the fox. Alright. Cool, they're friends with a guardian fox deity? Or at least a protector of the shrine. The Hermit Archon. Nice. They've established the fox social link of the Hermit Archon. Nice. Where does it find such amazing leads? You reflect on how useful it would be to have this kind of help while searching the other side. Doesn't understand your thoughts? The fox gestures towards the offertory box. Is it offering its services for a price? Yep. Seems the mysterious fox has agreed to aid you in your search. However, it appears that it will require a fee for its cooperation. Return to the Emma to the shrine and went home. It's getting late. You decide to go home. That was a full day of not getting done the thing I wanted to do the whole time.
The prime suspect in yesterday's ATM robbery in northern Inaba was arrested earlier today.
Well, that was quick.
The alleged thief is Persona4, a 26-year-old former employee of the company, which reported the stolen vehicle.
Oh, come on. A car from or a vehicle from your own company?
According to the police investigation, Persona4 was
not very smart. Oh, what's up, Dojo-san?
Ugh. How many days is he gonna call in sick? These rookies lately sure are.
Welcome back!
Nanako. I'm sorry I broke my promise again.
We had lots of fun.
My big bro and his friends played with me instead.
I see. Thanks.
You're welcome, man.
Oh, that's a Juness bag. What's in it?
Oh.
Good eye. Well, today is Children's Day. So I brought you a present.
Yay!
Nice.
Ooh, a t-shirt.
Nice.
It took me a while to decide what to get you. You like it?
What does it say? Kanoch? Kano-chan?
Wow, there's a picture on the front. That's so funny. Yay!
I got you one too. Not that you're still a child or anything, but fair is fair.
That's actually kind of a cool design.
Don't mention it. I thought you might need one soon.
Actually kind of dope.
Well then, let's eat.
Kind of like the
Okay.
off-kilter stripe on like the right leg. Kind of cool. Been a pleasant evening with the Dojo Music. What you watching? My t-shirt has a platypus on it. Doesn't it look funny? Yeah. The ocean's a bit far, but the river's right in town. I'm sure you'll end up taking a swim sometime this year. Okay, sure, wear that, okay? Yeah, thank you. Anything in here? Nothing. Okay. Well, I always have to try, you know? Alright, well, let's actually check my... Is it socially that I gotta look at? No, it's status. Bitch info. Here we go. My knowledge is already up 2 ticks? Up 1. Everything starts off at that. We could probably get it up to level 3 before the test, right? It's Thursday. The test is on Monday. Let's do it. Probably wasting my night times, but that's the thing about these games is you can choose to play it however you want. Spend your time however you please. So yeah, nice. I got 3 increases to knowledge. Nice. Sure feels like we're gonna up that pretty quick. Riding
Yo!
slow. What's up, dude?
Damn it, I just fixed this thing. It's making squeaking sounds again.
Really? Maybe you need a new one, man.
Huh? Yeah. Hey, by the way, I'm sorry about the other day. You know, about what I said to Nanako-chan. After hanging out with Nanako-chan, I feel even stronger that we have to solve this case.
Counting on you, bud.
Same to you. You know, Chie and Yukiko seem different lately. They're a lot closer. Oh yeah, I was just curious, but are you... never mind. You know, if we keep chatting, we're gonna be late.
What?
Man, school's such a chore. And now my bike's messed up too. The roads are much wider here than in the city, so I keep speeding. I guess that did it. Oh well. Until I get my motorcycle license, I'll just have to walk.
That's a bummer, dude. I don't see how riding faster would make your bike break down if you're servicing it properly. I mean,
What's up?
but kind of look like a mountain bike, like you could change gears on it, so maybe it's something. Usually, I get it. But yeah, if you have free time after school, let's go eat. That's something. Hang out with you after school. Oh, dude, I haven't done. Well, I guess we have had all these days off.
Yo!
Hey, if you have time after school, hang out with me, okay? When I'm not busy after school, you can usually find me hanging out on the roof. Think about it. Maybe just hang out with Chie after school. I gotta make a choice. Well, I just upped the thing with Yosuke, and it says it's about to level up, so I might as well hang out with him.
Why do the holidays have to end so fast?
At least they were peaceful. I listened in on the housewives gossiping at Juness, but it doesn't seem like anything happened. And I haven't heard anything about someone disappearing suddenly either. You think Yukiko could have been the last of the victims?
Doubt it. If we foil their plans, it's just gonna piss them off, and they're gonna do something bigger or more drastic.
I don't know. But we shouldn't relax as long as the culprit remains at large.
I wonder, will someone show up on TV again if it rains? If we only knew a little more about who the killer might be.
You don't have anything to go on.
It's no good fretting over it now. If someone does show up on the Midnight Channel, then we'll deal with it. It's supposed to start raining soon, but I hope this weather holds through next week. You know, midterms.
Ugh.
You had to go and bring that up. I don't want to think about it.
Yeah, neither do I.
I wish I had Yukiko's gift for studying.
that like an off-brand Adidas in the background? It is. That's funny.
Hey, Yosuke, why don't you have Yukiko go over some of the material with you?
You mean you want Yukiko to go over the material with you?
Oh, that's right. Yukiko's ranked at the top on every exam.
Not anymore.
Maybe I should ask her for some private lessons.
Private lessons?
You gonna pay me for that?
Huh? What's wrong?
Whoa!
Ow! What was that for? I'm just asking you to help me study.
Oh, I'm sorry. You were talking about studying. I thought it might have been an off-color joke. Arian has had some strange visitors lately.
If you thought it was a joke, then just shrug it off.
Sorry, my hand moved without thinking.
Yikes.
Jeez.
Ouch.
Thanks a lot, Chie, for bringing up the whole studying thing.
That's all your fault.
What did I do? You're the one who made it sound creepy and wrong. Private lessons, huh?
What? Then it's mostly my fault?
Oh, I should start heading home.
She's just absent-minded. Guys, she left. Alright, now is my chance. Turn in some of these quests, I think. Oh no. I have to look up who gets the angel statue and who gets the demon statue. Okay, she gets the angel statue. Thank you so much. Makias, thanks. Alright, nice. I need to give you something to pay you back, so please keep them. Nice. That quest is done. Alright, and there should be some other people that I turn stuff into. Like this person. He handed in the demon statue. Incredible. How spectacular. I can feel the palpitation of my heart. So excited. I can trace the mystic hex around Hewitt entering into a contract with the great unknown. Here's the reward. Just as I promised. Dokudami Key. Times 3. Nice. Plus 5 is done. Where was everyone else? Anybody over here? No, anybody on the roof? Just Chie. Oh, what's this girl doing up here? What's the matter? That's why she's on the roof. Doesn't seem like you can ask her anymore today. She should come back another time. Alright. Where else can I go? Practice building? I had a quest. You know about Chris Radios. There you go. Please take this. I don't know if it's enough to really make before, but you see Olympic tape. Nice. Okay. Now what? There's somebody else. Meet there in the shopping district. These two. What? Ben Mars showed you. Just both of them. Oh. Okay. Guess you can only do so much. Now on sale. Yeah. Alright. Gotta go here. So you couldn't see my arm. Please stop. Take your time. I came to sell you some stuff, homie. The money. Yeah. My iron is it? You have that. I can wait just a moment. Alright. A kunai. Poison power. Just slam a poison flower on my anvil real quick. Poison kunai. Nice. That's all I got. Huh? Got some armor I can sell you, bud. You like tuxedos? There's 6 of them. How I feel about that? Expendable stuff, huh? And I don't need 17 demon statues. They're worthless. I don't need any more Ritz wire either. Yeah. Armor. I mean, a lot. No, we're not. So we're back out. Dang it. Oh. He's already got that on. Never mind. Low odds though. Damn, okay, hold up. Yeah. Of course. I don't really care. I mean, I'm gonna take them. Broke again. Is what it is. Worth my time. I lived there too once. When I was young and naive, mere striplings. Still wet behind the ear. Here, the air and the water light are more pure. I've forgotten everything from my time in that hell. Alright, good for you. Peace out, homie. The Shiroku store. What's up, lady? You don't have anything I want, do it. Dang, that sucks. Well, we had to look. I guess. Leave the shopping district. Go back to school and hang out with Yosuke. He was up on the second floor. So
Yo!
yeah,
All right!
let's go there. Yosuke looks happy. Famous steak croquettes are tough. Taking chunks of steak and croquettes. Man, this really is the country, huh? Well, it is good, though it's tough. She had called this stuff tender and juicy. What kind of teeth does she have? You can hear the women's conversation. Junes, you also got me high school. His classmate, Sato Sound, went out of business. The shopping district disappeared. Sorry about that. You know me. I'm infamous around here. It must be tough. Nah, it's not really. Mainly my parents. Personally involved. Anyway, there's nothing I can do about it. SK shrugs. I don't think there's anything Inaba, or I don't think there's anyone in Inaba who doesn't know me at school or around town. Not that I mind, but it sucks that I always gotta mind my manner. Yosuke smiles cheerfully. You feel you understand Yosuke a bit more. Break up. Rank 2 Magician. Yosuke Hanamura's social links reached level 2. Your power to create personas, the Magician Arcana, has grown. Yosuke's growth of heart has affected his persona as well. Jiraiya learned Tra Fury. What's that do? Still, this croquette is damn good, huh? I'm gonna have another. You want one too, right?
Okay, let's
You
head
ate
home.
croquettes with Yosuke until your stomach started to bulge. Then you went home.
You're back.
So you're home. What's up, dude?
Hey,
Hey, Goblin. How are things? Back here by now. Let's talk to Dojo. You're bored? Well, how's it? We haven't had time to talk like this since you got here, huh? Dojima is desperately casting about for a topic to discuss. Well, how's school? It's fun.
I see.
That's good to hear. Your school days will be over before you know it. Make sure you have fun while you can. Dojima is nodding to himself. What up? Oh yeah. How about your friends? Looks like you made plenty of them. Dojima is scowling. I'm not saying who you can and can't hang out with, but you know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, I gotcha. So you did notice. Dojima is nodding. For some reason, wherever there's an incident, there you are. I wish I didn't have to consider this, but the killings began around the time you came to town. My job is all about eliminating the random element. I look only at the facts. I keep getting caught up in my job and
What's wrong?
Big Bro didn't do anything bad. I know. I didn't mean it like that.
But
You're bullying him. I'm not bullying him. We were just having a little talk. Getting late. Go to sleep. Okay. Jeez. He's really taking a shine to you. Look, just don't get yourself involved or anything. As long as you're safe, everything's fine. Your parents didn't ask me to raise your grades right. It seems Dojima is genuinely worried about you. You feel a faint bond forming between you and Dojima. It's probably actually pronounced Dojima, but I don't know. I've been blessed with the Hierophant. Nice. More power. Be more. Things here might be a little different from what you're used to. This is a good time. Though it's a little dangerous right at the moment. Now then, it's about time for you to turn in. Get some sleep.
Night.
You said goodnight to Dojima and went to your room. Yeah, bypass. Wait, is it actually bypass? Like you could bypass diabetes? Because it's Adidas. Oh, whatever. It's funny. It's terrible. All this rain. I hate rain. It's supposed to keep raining until this evening, too. Speaking of misery, midterms start next Monday. They even post the results up for everyone to see. Don't worry about it. Your life isn't going to be ruined by one little piece of paper, is it? What? How can you possibly believe that? Getting good grades has benefits when interacting with people. Talented people really are more highly valued in society, aren't they? Well, I mean, yeah. Don't talented people contribute more? Talent isn't something you're just innately born with all the time. A lot of people work very hard at the things they're good at. That's why they're the best at that specific thing. It's not like you wake up and you can draw like freaking some of the best artists in history. It's no. I mean, yeah, there's geniuses that are born, but it's not like a genius doesn't have to work or like get better or train more or learn more. I don't know. I don't get that line of thinking. Mr. Hosoy, have you picked up the latest edition of Bully Teacher yet? Of course I did. But it's raining today. I hope I can get it home without getting it all wet. So, does anyone have an extra book cover they'd be kind enough to let me? Whoops, I'd have to start the lecture. Don't try to distract me by talking about books. Today we're going to discuss Kokoro by Soseki Natsume. Open your book, textbooks. Before we get to the actual literature, I'll ask you a question about Soseki himself. How about Mr. Chan, the city boy? You know about Soseki Natsume translated the English phrase, I love you, into Japanese? No, it's probably something crazy and vague, right? Like, the moon is beautiful, isn't it? Oh, you're very knowledgeable. Yep, he translated it as the moon is beautiful, isn't it? By the way, the person who translated it as I could die was Shime Utabate. Shime Futabate? Yeah, it's Futabate. Another prominent Meiji-era writer. Though he translated it from Russian, not English, it's still similar in that they didn't do direct translations. Back then in Japan, there wasn't the same direct expression of love that we have now. So they had to get creative. It's a subtle, endearing translation, much like the Japanese language itself. Anyway, let's get back into Kokoro. Gave the correct answer. Your knowledge has increased. It's been doing that a lot lately. You hear thunder rumbling. I just checked the forecast.
Hey, Chie, I bought you a new copy of that Trial of the Dragon flick.
Nice.
It was the greatest punches version for 980 yen. If I knew then, I'd have just replaced it instead of buying you grilled steak.
Yeah, no kidding.
This is clearly getting closer.
Huh? What are you, scared of a little lightning?
Quiet, you!
You know
I'd be
how
a goner if
strong
even
lightning
one of
is?
those things hit me.
Well, yeah. It's lightning.
You're freaking out way too much. Come on, shouldn't weather like this help with your kung fu training? A bolt of lightning would hit and it'd give you the inspiration for a new move. There was a scene like that in your DVD, wasn't there?
You jerk! You don't even care how I feel! If lightning has to strike someone, let it be this guy!
Huh?
Oh.
Is this a blackout?
Yep. That sucks, especially at school. Geez.
That's what you get for saying that stuff, Chie. Looks like I better hurry up and head to work. Depending on how produce sells today, I might get a little bonus in my pay for the week. This weather may keep customers away, but I gotta do my best if I'm gonna save up for a motorcycle.
Uh-oh.
It's from my manager. Hello?
Yosuke-kun? Some of the power in the store is out after that lightning strike. Could you come in early today? All the refrigerated shelves have stopped running.
Oh.
It's looking like we'll have to close up the produce section early today.
Oh boy.
Wait, what? But my pay!
Anyway, I need you here to help deal with this mess. I'm counting on you. Goodbye.
Wait!
What are you looking at me for?
Why did this have to happen?
Well, lightning doesn't strike the same person twice. Well, actually, there's been
Hey,
known
Yukiko,
cases.
can we just go home?
Chie, do you know this story?
Uh-oh.
A girl forgot her homework, so she snuck into school in the middle of the night, but she suddenly needed to use the bathroom. She ventured into the girls' room where all the lights were off. No one should have been there, but in the mirror...
Hold it right there! What are you talking about?
Huh, it's a ghost story. I thought you liked them.
Yeah, but why tell it now?
Freaking her out. What should you do? Tell her another ghost story? Lightly tap Chie's back? Oh no. Honestly?
Someone's here! It touched me! It's a ghost! Wait, was that you? Jeez! You suck!
I didn't do nothing. I don't know what you're talking about.
Why don't you just have him escort you back home, Chie?
Are you making fun of me?
Well, yeah, with how freaked out you are, can you blame me?
Oh, the power's back! Come on, Yukiko, let's go home!
Oh my goodness. Let's go walk out in the thunderstorm. Chie and Yukiko leave in a hurry. Classes have ended for the day. You have no choice but to wait for another rainy night. Yeah, I get it. I get it. Can I go up to the rooftop? She's not there. Yeah, she's not. It's crazy. Weather girl's here though. Looks like Saturday. Okay. You're always right, huh? I don't know. I honestly don't think there's anything I can do on a Saturday. Go to town maybe? Let's see here. I don't think there's anything else I can honestly do. Let's try and go to the Samagawa floodplain. And we'll go down here. Nope, nobody. I guess nobody likes the rain. That kind of sucks. Hey, this rain is just intense. You've got to be cold from being out in it. Days like this are the best time to come to our shop. One grilled steak croquette will warm you right up. Oh, wait. Rainy Day Beef Bowl Challenge. Rainy Day Beef Bowl Challenge. We're doing it. Ain't nobody gonna stop me either. Is this it? This has gotta be it, right? No, this is tofu shop. Dang it. I want the restaurant. Yeah, right here. Chinese diner Aya. Aya seems to be having some kind of promotion today. Sign Rainy Day Challenge. 3,000 yen mega beef bowl. You finish this quintuple size bowl, it's free. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm gonna spend some of my hard-earned, very little money I have left. You accepted the Rainy Day Special Mega Beef Bowl Challenge. Still can't see the price. Uh-oh. You begin to suspect that your bowl is a portal to the meat dimension. Go again. All these traits are necessary to master the Rainy Day Special Mega Beef Bowl Challenge. We're unable to finish your meal in this current state. Got understanding? Nice, I went from basic to kindly. Courage has increased. Courage went from average to reliable. My diligence has increased. Hey, not too bad, mister. That'll be 3,000 yen. Come back soon. Well, that was half my money. After finishing your meal, you went home. All right. Yeah.
Welcome home.
All right. What's up, Nanako? It stopped raining, but the thunder was loud. You were scared. Were you scared, big bro? Nope, never scared. Oh, what's up? Oh, okay. We're gonna cancel that for right now, okay? And we're gonna end this episode a little bit early today. But as always, thank you so much for joining me. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. And as always, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.